today I'm going to share some characteristics about the unique caregivers that we have at IG Intergen Home Care. First, one of the first characteristics we have, we match our caregiver to your loved one's specific needs. So if you speak Spanish, or if you have a preference with food, or if you have a preference with male or female, if you like to go to church, if you want someone that's non-smoker, all of those are, patient preferences. We really try to match the caregiver with the preference of your loved one. The second thing, we have continuous education and ongoing training. I am a researcher and I am very aware of the changes in healthcare. I've been working as a healthcare provider for over 20 years and also have been a professor, and I'm very aware of the dynamic changes in healthcare. And so one of the things that we strongly believe in and we enforce at IG Home Care is continuous education. So the caregivers, they're continuously trained, they continuously practice their craft, and so they stay very sharp and on cutting edge with new changes in healthcare. Another characteristics is our caregivers are highly experienced, and so they perform to the highest level to meet the standards of care. And so what I mean, if someone is working with us, we like them to have at least 2 years of training. We like caregivers to be working with a variety of the clients that we care for. So we like them to have worked with patients who are disabled, patients who are elderly, someone, for example, who is a veteran. They may have specific needs. If you understand the person's life and what their needs are, you'll be able to meet them better. So another characteristics of our caregivers is we do an intense pre-screening. So there's state check, there's background check, and they're fingerprinted. Our employees are vetted and bonded. So we have liability insurance. The employees also have their own insurance, so there's added protection for our employees. Our caregivers are compassionate and they're kind and they're friendly. Those are some of the qualities that we look for. When hiring, I'm not the only one that's on the hiring committee. We have some of our other staff that come to help to look out as well, because we want to make sure that the person that's coming in fits with the morals that we stand for and that there will be continuous cohesiveness within the team. Sometimes I'll have a client as well just to step in to see if this staff is the right fit for them, and so just looking at it from that perspective, we ensure that we have the right staff. They're usually caring, they're kind, and they're compassionate. One of the things that I really love about our workers is that they're flexible and they're very accommodating. So we know in healthcare the needs are very dynamic. We may have a client who needs 2 hours of service or 4 hours of service to someone who needs 24 hours. We have clients who need just a ride to go to the mall or to go shopping or doctor's appointments, because we also do transportation. One of the things that I look for is to ensure that the workers are very flexible and accommodating so they could meet our clients' needs.